Rightio, first package, first lot of mods. Randy, can you get out of the way please, mate? You're just in the way, baby. Now, Randy the Rancher. Handbrake gonna work? Yeah, we're on. Righto. Light's not going to be great, so we'll see how this turns out. But we picked up today what you might be able to see here is some suits. Very easy way to get them out. Beautiful. We got some universal sliders as well. Bit of a mile convention here at the moment. Universal. I don't love the sound of it, but see what we can make work. Should be 4 bolts and that seat will be out. And see how this is going to line up, eh? Grab some tools and hopefully they're nothing special, which they're not. Just clip off here. What are they going to be? 15s? That's a stab in the dark for a 15. That's a 13. 15. 14 we're on. Break these off. Oh, that was not tight. What about that one? Nope, that's not tight either. Maybe someone's already had race seats in here. I doubt it. What's going on here? That one there. That one there. How tight are this going to be? Yep. And yep, perfect. Get the drill in here. Oh, that's the wrong bit. Out of the way. Oh, dumbass. Keep those because we'll probably need them. Alright, let's get this out. Ooh. Anyway, just in the driver's seat. Yeah. Come on. I think these seats storm somewhere. But chasing some front leather seats away. MX83 Cressida. Got some. Sell to you. Fun build. We out? I think we're out. Oh, don't scratch anything. Yes. That could be an interesting setup, but while we're here with the vacuum cleaner out, perfect time to do it. Okay, had a good night's sleep on this one. There was a bit of a problem. What I've done is cut off the old mounts, just drilled out those pot rivets, kind of. That's actually, we got there in the end. That was the quickest and fastest. What I'm going to do is chuck them back in their factory location, like so. One there, one there, we got one there, and then one at the back. And this rail here, which is universal, actually sits on those kind of nice. So, and then at the back one as well. I might see how that sits, and that could be a solution. Alrighty, another quick update. We'll have a drinks break. I've tacked these bad boys on here. Nothing pretty. I'm not a welder. I do know to disconnect the battery before welding in a car. It's a red hot tip. But had the seat on there. Found that was the just about perfect position. I've tacked that on there. Just bolted it back in. Let it dry, let it cool, so if it does want to warp a little bit, it's bolted in position. I might start on the other side, let this cool down, and then I'll be able to weld this all together. See how we go. With a bit of camera magic, these are complete. This is probably the good weld one. Definitely not a welder by any means. Drivers, passengers. Keep an eye on these for cracks, because like I said, not a welder, so keep an eye on them. If I need to reinforce them a bit more I will, but chuck a lick of paint on these and they'll go in the car. girls and other things. Seats are in and done. I'm pretty happy with them. There's a bit of a stitch up. Universal rails, never going to be perfect, but I mean they're not Toyota factory welds. They are the mounts though, so we'll take what we can get. The only issue, well, the only thing I'll change, and I'll try and get a longer buckle there because they're a bit of a punish to get to. But apart from that, they fit in well. Driver fits in well. I'm gonna have to get a removable steering wheel now because it's a pain in the ass to get in and out. But that's how you do it. Some breadies in the MX85. Haha, it's 83.